Hi guys, I know it's been a minute, but I'm back and I'm doing a haul. Let's open this package up and see what's inside. Okay, it's my balloons. I can't wait to show you what I'm gonna do with these. These colors are really pretty. Bet you can't guess. I have another package over here and let's see what's inside. It's my Chiara wall. Here are the instructions, some extra pieces, and it came with a white cover. Now I'm going to check the items that came in the package to make sure that we have all the parts that we need before we start to build the Chiara wall. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, so I'm getting the pieces that we need to do step 1. I like how the piece is slightly pinched in so that it can slide into the other piece pretty easily. I have received other stands and they haven't been so easy to assemble, especially if they have that little button that you press, or if they have a really thick coat of paint on them. And this arch does not have a thick coat of paint, so again, that also allows me to be able to insert the piece inside the other easily. Now, I will say that having to tighten each screw is kind of tedious, but it's a part of the process. I would not wait until the time of a setup to do this. If possible, I would have it already assembled and just be able to carry it into the venue already assembled to save time. I also like how each piece has a letter on it that coincides with what's on the diagram, so it makes it really easy to put the pieces together. I'm a DIY girl at heart, and I love putting things together. So this is fun for me. And here it is. Now for the cover. It's polyester spandex blend. It's wrinkle free and it's very thick material, so I like that. So it's going on to the frame fairly easily. I like that. I also want to point out that the screws, to make sure that your screws are facing up and down and they're not sticking out sideways so that you don't tear your fabric. And here is the cover. It's a nice fit. I'm gonna put a pin underneath that to make sure it's pulled nice and snug at the bottom. And here it is. If you're liking what you see, please SOC, subscribe, like, and comment for more content. Bye!